How to analyze your data in PanBI with metrics and aggregation. In this video, we'll see how PanBI's analytics work. Let me begin by clicking on to the Catalog menu where you can see a list of datasets. On hovering over the datasets, click the CPG file that I had uploaded in my previous video and then select Analyze on the right panel. This dataset contains row-wise key values on segments, products, and countries corresponding to yearly gross sales of consumer products. PanBI's Analyze contains the filter and aggregation functions. Filters help to include or exclude records that you want to analyze or visualize. For example, I'm going to filter the total number of records for the product cornflakes from the existing dataset. The result that you see is the filtered data for the product cornflakes. Aggregate will allow you to do the metrics and aggregation. Metrics are mathematical calculations consisting of minimum, maximum, sum, average, and count, while aggregation enables grouping of subsets for quantitative analysis. Let me begin with a simple example. I'd like to see the gross sales by segment. To do this, click Add Metrics, select Sum, which will add the numeric values under gross sales. Now add in the aggregate by which you can group the datasets using either terms, histogram, date histogram, or range on the data and text fields. I'll run a term on the next field called segment. This is the text field. It will run the occurrence of the selected term for segment and create a group for each of the values, which in this case allows me to visualize gross sales by segment. Now if I need to know the gross sales for each country, I'll select the field Countries. To have this information displayed on a chart, select the column Countries, and then what you see here is the gross sales by country. If you notice, the uploaded Excel file contains geographical data in the form of latitude and longitude. This means if I add latitude and longitude as terms, the results that I get are the country data plotted on the map. On clicking the map marker on a particular country, you can view the details. Continuing with the same CPG data, let me show you how to create a time series chart which helps to analyze and compare details for a period of time. Since the column for years displayed as a date value, I'm going to select date histogram instead of terms for this field. On clicking time series, segments can be compared to visualize gross sales segment-wise. This way, PanBI can analyze and transform your historical and transactional data into business intelligence. Finally, I'm going to save my analyzed dataset, which I will eventually bring to build the retail dashboard. Coming up next is a video on PanBI's visualization and its advanced features.